Hey, this is Reggie. I'm coming to you from the Smofd house, which is my own backyard, and I'm doing smoked chicken salad, and I'm preparing it on the pit boss. Through getting this chicken breast nice and tender for this nice smoke bath that's about to take in a minute on the grill, creating this famous smoked chicken salad. So I know some of you guys may have heard of it, some of you may not. Some of you probably tried it, some of you may have, may not. But we definitely gonna get in here and start smoking this chicken for the next 2.5 hours at about 200 degrees on this famous pit boss.
So how many chicken breasts are you going to prepare?
On this go run here, it's probably gonna be about somewhere around 12 to 15 chicken breasts. Get it prepared for this smoked chicken salad. You guys can see we loading it down. Alright, here we go. It's your boy Reggie again from Smofd Kitchen, where everything's smoked and fried. So I'm coming back doing a little quick check-in. It's probably been a little bit past 45 minutes, right at 50 minutes of smoking the chicken breast. At this slow smoke, 200 degrees in Fahrenheit. So I want to come out here and baste it a little bit, but I did want to do a check-in so you guys can see how nice the color coming on some of this chicken. You can see some great char. You can see some great color coming on this chicken, but I do want to wipe it down so we can keep the juices flowing inside of this chicken breast. Hey guys, how y'all doing? This is Reggie. Another check-in on this smoked chicken. We're at a point where we're just trying to get to the golden brown with the smoke ring in it. So we're gonna check on it and look at it a little bit and see what's going on. Man, this chicken sure look awesome. Right now, this chicken is at a point where I think it's about done. When you kind of look at it and see the flavors, the seasoning, the herbs, the smoke. Man, we ready to go. So we're gonna get this chicken pulled off the grill, give it time to rest a little bit, and then we're gonna go through here and get this thing broken down, shredded, ready for the next phase. See you guys later. How y'all doing? We're here to do another check-in, and we finally got this chicken off the pit boss. Man, that chicken is amazing. It smells amazing, look amazing, and definitely tastes amazing. So any great cook, you definitely know you gotta try your food. If you don't try your food, that's a problem. So when you think about it, we got a couple more things that we're gonna add to this chicken salad as an addition. We got some fresh veggies and fruit that we're gonna put into it. We got some celery, we got some green pepper, we got some onion, and we got some grapes from somebody's vineyard. So we're gonna chop these things up in just a minute to make sure that we can get these things prepared and ready to go for this chicken salad. One more again. So we're getting down to the wire on shredding this chicken, but I did want you guys to kind of see the chicken shredding process in action. I'm going real old school, 2 forks. 2 forks, shredding it up, getting it all nice and tenderized. Y'all can see the glitter on that chicken because of the juice. It's juicy, it's ready to go. Okay, we're here at the point where we already shredded up all the chicken. We done cut down all the veggies. We got some fresh grapes over here in the bowl that's been cut down. We're about to bring all these things together to make one amazing smoked chicken salad.